everyone, welcome to my channel Online Gyan with Abhinav. Today I have selected very interesting topic that how you can create, how you can use sequence in UiPath. So I have created very small project, you can see that. So I'm going to run it, and once it will done, then I will let you know how you can design it by yourself as well. This is very easy guys, so we can run it and see. It's asking for name, put your name Abhinav. Then it says please select your gender. Okay, now we can see hello Abhinav, welcome to online. Yeah, now it's asking which one you want to open, Instagram or Facebook. So we can select Facebook. Now we can see that it's opening Facebook. So how you can create it, let me tell you. Go to the home, we can start a new project from here. So you can see the process. We can start the planning process here. We can name our project, so I'm going to give the name that is demo. Sorry, demo 2. So let me create it. So whatever project we are creating, we can see on the documents. So if we go on the documents, we can see UiPath here. Click on UiPath, then we can see demo 2. Okay, so now come back to the UiPath. My system is very slow guys. So we can see new. These are the workflows. So today we are going to use sequence. We can say that sequence has the top to bottom approach. We can say that process activities from top to bottom, step by step. So we can create and we can name the sequence 1. Now we can see that it says drop activity here. So on the left corner we can see activities. There are 3 panels: project, snippets and activities. In the activities we can see that there are lots of activities, so we can easily drag and drop activity which one we want to demonstrate. So now what we want something from user. So if we want something from user, we need input dialog. So because we need something from user, so I'm going to use input dialog. And what you want dialog title, I say hello. Now input label, what is your question, that what is your name, and what is that mean, value entered, what we need. So if we click on that activity, every activity has its own property. If we click on sequence, there are different properties. We click on input dialog, there is a different property. So we can see on the result, if we hold the cursor here, you can see use a variable to save value entered by the user. So where you gonna store that value, so we have to create a variable for it. How you can create a variable? You can easily control K and create a variable. Either you can go on the variable section and create it. So we can control K. Whenever you will press control K, you will see this set where. If you are not getting this, you have to try it again. So I'm going to name it name and enter. Now we can see name on the input dialog as well, name, and we can see on the variable as well, name, and name type, and variable type is string. So we want to print that name, so we need message box. Guys, if you want to print the name on the screen, we can use message box, but if you want to print the name on the output panel, we can use log message or write line activity as well. I will let you know about that as well. So if we put anything on the string or text, we need to put it on double quotes. So we need, okay, we want hello, then we use variable, or where the name is stored in this name variable. So hello, like name, welcome to online. Yeah, so let's run and see. So you have to put name and enter it. Then you can see that hello Abhinav, welcome to online Gyan. Then you have to press enter. Now what we need selection. Okay, so some so now we want which social media account user want to open. So we want something from user again, so we need to use input dialog. So now we want we are going to give options to user. So input dialog, you can put selections, because you can put any name which required according to project. Put selections. So in input dialog, what we want, so input label, we can put which one you want to open. So we can see the input type. We don't want a text because user is not gonna type anything. It's gonna he is or her gonna select that thing. So we want multiple choice. So we can see here, if we like using two options, so we have to separate that thing with the semicolon. Let me show you. Facebook. So put on the double quotes, then semicolon, Instagram, and where we are going to store that value. So control K, create a variable, control K, and name it selection. You can name, and you can see the variable here as well, selection. So now we can see, we can run and see. Like Ajay, it says hello Ajay, welcome to online Gyan. Press OK. Then I want Facebook. Okay, did you see that? The multiple choice as well. So now here we have to create a logic. Like if user is selecting Facebook or Insta, like if I am selecting Facebook, so it will open the Facebook. If I am selecting the Insta, so it will open the Insta. So there are two options. What we can do, we have to use if condition. If I'm using Facebook, it will open the Facebook. If I'm using the Insta, it will going to open the Insta. So let me open the if condition, so we can easily drag and drop here. Now what logic we can create, so where is the value is stored on the selections, right? So we can easily say that selections is equal to Facebook. Sorry, Facebook. So if selection, if user select the Facebook, then it will go on the then section. If user selected the Instagram, it will go there. So what we need now, if user selected Facebook, we need a browser. So we need to open a browser. So on the activity panel, we have to search open browser. Now it's, if you click on the open browser activity, there is a different property. You can see which browser you wanna use. You can see the browser type, you can select it. I wanna use the Chrome because Chrome is my best friend. So you can use anything what you want. So now I'm going to open www.facebook.com. So if user selected Instagram, then we need to open the Instagram. Okay, let's save and run it. Abhinav, then enter it. I want to use Facebook. It will open Facebook. Now let's run again. Now we are going to use Instagram. Select Instagram. Now you can go on the Chrome and see Instagram. So if you are using any browser or anything, first of all close that browser, otherwise it will open multiple times. So let me go and show you again so it will be clear. Now it will open Instagram. So guys, you can also create it by yourself as well, but I would like to tell you, if you are visiting my channel first time, so please do subscribe and press the bell icon. So if you like this video, so please comment down. I will create a step by step all the activities so you can learn. Thank you.